Is this possible to do? Subscribe my channel and keep watching. As electronic lover, you may sure have seen some free energy videos using neodymium magnets. Out of those explanations, I was wonder that rotating fan and it is generating unrespectable power. Therefore, I used a fan of computer and few neodymium magnets to find out the secret behind this. Since this fan has 7 wings, I used small 7 neodymium magnets and used superglue to stick the magnets on the wings of the fan. If you can use glue gun is better than this. When you stick the magnets, do not forget to stick the same side. The magnet has N side and S side. If you paste glue on N side, all the magnets should be glued on N side. Then I used one big neodymium magnet to rotate the fan. Project is completed. But the free energy like this is not true. It is not being rotated. The reason is first the magnet push the magnet on the fan, but when next magnet come close to the big magnet, it detect the other side and try to attract the magnet. The result is fan stop. But, in this experiment, I found good thing. This fan is 12-volt fan. But it can be operated with 3.7-volt battery. I connected this 3.7-volt battery with the fan and took the big magnet close to the fan. Then I found when the big magnet is being closed, the speed of rotating the fan became fast. It is eye-catchable and reasonable increment of rotating speed. I believe that there is a possibility to enhance the speed of a fan from external magnet like this. I hope you have learnt something new. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix.